Alright, Kipster, so we just finished reading both of the passages. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to answer our question for the model. So the question says, what is one way the two selections are alike? And I circled that the two selections, and remember two selections or selections means passages. So I want to know, I look at both passages, and I want to know how they are alike. So I want to know how they are the same. So now that I understand the question, I need to ask myself, what were the passages about? So the first passage was about how someone, or giving us information about the Declaration of Independence being signed. Whereas the second passage is about someone overhearing the people talk about the Declaration of Independence. They overheard it, and it's like telling a story. So now I need to ask myself, what is the same about these passages? Well, I know in both passages, they are happening on the same day. It says July 4, 1776 here, and it says on July 4, 1776 here. I also noticed that they are both talking about the Declaration of Independence being signed. Or this one's talking about being signed. This one's just talking about hearing about the Declaration of Independence. So I wrote on my Venn diagram right here that both happened on the same day and both speak about the Declaration of Independence. So that's how they are the same. That's what I found. Now I'm going to use my check mark box. And if you remember in class, we use a check mark box to determine if they are both the same or different. Remember, for it to be the correct answer, you need at least 2 check marks to prove that they are right. Okay? So we're going to go through the answer choices. It says, they describe a person's personal experience with the Declaration of Independence. So I'm going to go to my first passage. And if I look here, it's just giving us information and facts. The author's purpose of this passage is actually just to tell me information. So it's not giving me a personal experience. So I'm going to put an X for passage 1. Now I'm going to look at passage 2. This one is a personal experience because it says, I heard an exciting voice. I might be listening to something important. So this one is giving me a personal experience. But if I look at my check mark and my X's, I do not have both, so this could not be my best answer. So I'm going to go to answer choice B. They are about the Declaration of Independence. Well, if I look here, it's literally called the Declaration Signed, and it also says the Declaration of Independence was adopted by the Continental Congress. So I get a check mark for passage 1. And then right here, it says on July 4, 1776, and it says, we hold these truths to be self-evident. And I know that's a line from the Declaration of Independence, so they both are talking about the Declaration of Independence, so I'm going to put a check mark there. So my best answer is going to be B. So what I do is I think, what is the passage about? How are they the same? I put it into my Venn diagram, and then I also use my check mark boxes. And remember, the only way it can be correct is if I have 2 check marks for each passage. All right, my friend? So when you do your guided practice, which is right here, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to then tell me how they are different. You're going to tell me in the Venn diagram how they are different. And then you're going to choose your answer choices right here. And remember, you have your check mark box here. You move your X's wherever you need to, your check boxes wherever you need to, and you choose your best answer here. All right? Bye.